In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add the cash on delivery payment method to your Odoo website. The process is quite simple. First, navigate to configuration once you're inside your website. Then, go to apps. Here, make sure to clear any filters by removing the current search term, and under categories, select all otherwise. The app won't appear. Next, in the search bar, type cash on delivery and press enter. You should see the Sprocket Cash on Delivery app. You can learn more about it by clicking Module Info, which explains that the module lets e-commerce users place orders through Sprocket using the Cash on Delivery feature. To enable it, click Install. Since I have a 15-day free trial, I can use it for that period, but with an active Odoo subscription, you'll have unlimited access. After clicking Install, select Confirm, and within a few seconds once the module check is complete, the Cash on Delivery payment option will be added. From there, you can customize it as needed. After adding the cash on delivery option, test it by placing a sample order to ensure the payment method appears correctly at checkout and works smoothly with your shipping settings. Thank you for watching this video.